Ribonuclease, poly, U, specific, EC 3.1.26.9, ribonuclease, uracil-specific, endoribonuclease, uracil-specific RNase, is an enzyme. This enzyme catalyzes the following chemical reaction: endonucleolytic cleavage of poly, U, to fragments terminated by 3-hydroxy and 5-phosphate groups. This enzyme forms oligonucleotides with chain lengths of 6 to 12. References. External links. Ribonuclease plus poly, U, specific, at the U.S. National Library of Medicine. Medical subject headings: MESH,